Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home, and for Kendall homeowners, it serves as more than just an entryway. A well-chosen front door can enhance curb appeal, improve security, and boost energy efficiency, making it a worthwhile investment for any home. Here are the key benefits of replacing your front door and how it can transform your Kendall home. Enhanced curb appeal. A new front door can dramatically improve the appearance of your home, creating a lasting impression on guests and passers-by. With a variety of materials, styles, and finishes to choose from, you can find a door that perfectly complements your home's aesthetic. Why curb appeal matters. First impressions. A stylish front door sets the tone for the rest of your home's exterior. Customization options. Modern front doors come in a wide range of colors, designs, and materials, allowing you to personalize your entryway. Increased property value. A visually appealing front door can boost your home's resale value, making it a smart investment. For Kendall homeowners, replacing an outdated door with a sleek, modern design enhances both the look and feel of your property. Improved energy efficiency. Kendall's warm climate means energy efficiency is a top priority. Older doors often lack proper insulation, allowing heat to enter and cool air to escape, which can strain your HVAC system and increase utility bills. Energy-efficient benefits of a new front door. Better insulation. Modern doors are designed with energy-efficient materials that prevent heat transfer and maintain indoor temperatures. Weatherproofing. High-quality seals and weather stripping eliminate drafts and reduce energy loss. Savings on energy bills. By keeping your home cool and comfortable, a new front door helps lower your monthly energy costs. Replacing your front door with an energy-efficient model is an easy way to enhance comfort while saving money in the long run. Increased security. Your front door is a critical component of your home's security, and upgrading it can provide peace of mind. Older doors may have weak frames, outdated locks, or other vulnerabilities that compromise safety. How a new front door improves security. Stronger materials. Modern doors are made from durable materials like steel, fiberglass, and reinforced wood that resist forced entry. Advanced locking systems. Upgraded locks, including multi-point systems and smart locks, add an extra layer of protection. Impact resistance. Many front doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, making them ideal for Kendall's storm-prone climate. By installing a secure front door, you can better protect your family and belongings. Better protection during storm season. Kendall homeowners understand the importance of preparing for hurricane season. A sturdy front door is essential for protecting your home during storms and high winds. Storm-ready front door features. Impact-resistant materials. Many new doors meet or exceed hurricane code requirements, providing protection against flying debris. Sealed construction. Weatherproof designs prevent water intrusion, reducing the risk of damage to your home's interior. Peace of mind. Knowing your home is equipped to handle severe weather offers reassurance during storm season. Replacing your front door with a hurricane-rated option ensures your home is ready for Kendall's toughest weather. Reduced maintenance. Older doors often require frequent upkeep, from repainting to repairing wear and tear. Modern front doors are designed to be low maintenance, saving you time and effort. Low maintenance features include durable finishes. Weather-resistant coatings prevent peeling, fading, and rusting, keeping your door looking new. Material options. Fiberglass and steel doors are less susceptible to warping or cracking compared to traditional wood. Long-term durability. High-quality doors are built to last, requiring minimal maintenance over the years. Upgrading to a new front door means less hassle and more time to enjoy your Kendall home. Enhanced functionality and convenience. Replacing your front door is an opportunity to add features that improve its functionality and convenience. Modern upgrades to consider. Smart locks. Keyless entry systems allow you to control access remotely, offering both security and convenience. Built-in glass panels. Doors with glass inserts provide natural light while maintaining privacy and insulation. Energy-efficient screens. Integrated screens allow for ventilation without letting in pests or debris. These features enhance the practicality of your front door, making daily life easier and more enjoyable. Conclusion. Replacing your front door is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your Kendall home. From boosting curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to increasing security and preparing for storms, a new front door offers numerous benefits that make it a worthwhile investment. If you're ready to upgrade, contact a trusted door professional in Kendall to explore your options. With expert guidance and high-quality installations, you can transform your entryway and enjoy a more beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient home.